Do you want to edit an image on Twitter X? You can edit photo in X account with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To edit an image on X using Grok. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the Grok option from the bottom navigation bar or side menu. This will open the Grok AI chat interface. Once the Grok screen opens, tap on the Edit Image option. Now, upload the image you want to edit from your device. After uploading the image, tap on the message box at the bottom. Here you can describe the edits you want to make to the image. You can ask Grok to remove objects, change the background, add effects, enhance quality, or modify colors. Now, tap on the Send button. Grok will analyze your image and apply the requested edits. Once the edited image is generated, you can view, save, or share it directly on X.